so excited to talk to you today because something nice happened, something exciting happened. As you know, I adopted Milo about 2 years ago, and he was 4 years old and probably never was taken out of his cage because he was unable to step up or fly or attempt to fly. And now I have the exciting news that he is flying. Yay! Short distances, but he's flying, and here's the video. I'm so excited. Yay! You're learning, huh, Parrot? Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Isn't that a nice video, you guys? I'm so excited. Milo has made so much progress. I'm so happy. So follow me and Milo and see how he progresses and how he gets better. If you like, please subscribe and please hit that like button. If you want, go ahead and share. That would be amazing. Thank you. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye.